May 11th, 2019. Got a bunch of rain again last night. My worms got flooded down here. I got to bail them all out. I already got 4 gallons of water out of there. And I want to come up here and take a little look at I got an accidental bamboo, or an accidental bird's nest here in this bamboo. Peanut, what are you doing over there? God, I looked in here yesterday and wait, I might have to turn the light on here. So this backlight isn't gonna, here. There, wait, I should do it. Oh, she was in there. Scared the daylights out of me. Alright, let's see if we can look down in there. Oh, there's a whole bunch of eggs. Whoa, I saw one in there. The other 1, 2, 3, 4, and they're tiny. They're the size of grapes. There's 4 of them in there. That little thing down in the side there. Oops. Alright, well that's all we're going to be able to see. But yeah, little, I don't know what that bird is. It's a little red bird, little tiny bird. And she's got a nest in there. And we'll have some little baby birds in there. Pretty cool.